Welcome to the evolution of audio recording. In this video, we'll take you on a journey throughout time, to explore the fascinating history of audio recording devices. From Thomas Edison's groundbreaking invention to the rise of digital technology, we'll discover how sound has been captured and reproduced over the years. So let's begin our exploration with our first recording device, the phonograph. The phonograph, invented by Thomas Edison, revolutionized the way audio was recorded. It consisted of tinfoil that was wrapped around a cylindrical drum. As sound hit the diaphragm connected to a metal stylus, the variations in pressure caused the stylus to engrave the sound waves into the foil when the handle was turned. To play back the sound, the stylus was placed onto the grooves, the handle was turned once again, and the sound would come out. How did the sound come out? The vibrations was picked up by the stylus again, recreating the sound that was recorded. The phonograph was a remarkable invention, but it was only the beginning of a series of advancements in audio recording technology. In 1887, the first competitor to the phonograph emerged, the gramophone. While it used a similar principle with a stylus attached to the diaphragm, the gramophone employed a different method of audio recording. Instead of engraving the sound on a cylindrical drum, a gramophone used a flat disc covered with a thin coat of lamp black, and it was always rotating horizontally, not vertically. After the audio recording was completed, the disc was put into an acid bath. The acid would engrave a groove in the metal where the stylus had exposed it. This new recording method opened up possibilities for mass production and consumer consumption of recorded audio. As technology advanced, the advent of a multi-track recorder brought about significant changes in the audio recording process. Analog tape machines equipped with a record head, playback head, and erase heads allowed for the recording of multiple tracks on a single tape. Studios could now record up to 24 tracks on one tape, truly significant, providing more versatility and creativity in the recording process than ever before. While consumer cassette tapes limited recording to stereo tracks, larger studios utilized multiple multi-track recorders to expand their capabilities, creating 48-track studios. Truly fascinating. Interestingly, as the industry started embracing digital recording, engineers discovered that analog recording had a unique quality often described as warmth or full-bodied. You know what I'm talking about. The interaction between the tape itself and the tape machine imparted a certain character to the sound that digital recording couldn't fully replicate. To preserve this analog warmth, many engineers and producers began recording on tape and then transferring it to a digital format for mixing and mastering in a digital audio workstation. It's beautiful. While analog recording offered distinct advantages, they also had some downsides, naturally. One of the challenges was the inability to undo edits or make copies easily. Analog systems required careful consideration before making any modification, as every edit was permanent. Analog mixers presented another limitation. Once a mixing session began, it had to be completed without interruption. Think about that. To continue a mix at a later time, engineers needed to meticulously document the setting of each channel on the mixer to ensure consistency. Additionally, noise such as the familiar tape hiss was an inherent byproduct of analog recordings. However, professional audio equipment, including multi-track recorders, addressed this issue with built-in noise reduction options, some by Dolby. The evolution of audio recording devices has come a long way since the invention of the phonograph. From the early days of tinfoil cylinders to the modern digital age, each development has contributed to the rich tapestry of recorded sound we enjoy today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.